Hi, this is part 2 of me showing you all the books that I've read in 2026 so far. The Liberation of Sita by Volga, 4 stars. Children of Ruin, 2.75 stars. It was much awaited read for me after thoroughly enjoying Children of Time, but it sort of disappointed me, so 2.75 stars. Under the Eye of Big Bird, now this was the top read for me. I think nothing came close to this one for me. It is a series of interconnected stories that talk about a time where humanity is near extinction, and I just loved how the stories were connected and the heartfelt nature of those stories. It's a must read. Do not miss it. 4.75 stars. The God of the Woods by Liz Moore, 2.5 stars. Salvation of Saint by Kigo Higashino, 3.5 stars. Atmosphere by Taylor Jenkins Reid. I was kind of looking forward to reading this one, but mildly disappointed with the lack of historical context that the book provided, hence 3.25 stars. How High We Go in the Dark by Sikoa Nagamatsu, 4.25 stars. Strange Buildings by Yuketsu, still did not work for me, 2.75 stars, but still better than Strange Buildings. On Calculation of Volume by Solve Bale, 3.25 stars. This is Amiko Do You Copy, 4.5 stars. Very heartfelt and touching read, and quite short that you can finish it in one sitting. Dungeon Crawler Carl by Matt Damon. It was really fun and enjoyable read, and you'll like it especially if you are a gamer. 3.75 stars. Yesteryear, 4.5 stars. Amazing read. I loved it. I know a lot of people did not like it, but it did work for me. Blessed Be the Billionaires by Luke Upson, 3.5 stars. A very realistic and near future dystopia, and you'll like it if you love dystopian literature. Odyssey by Stephen Fry. I loved how easy to understand and on point this translation was. 4 stars. Taiwan Travelogue. Now, this book was the winner of International Booker Prize 2026, and all the things in the end, which is the translator notes, is what made this book for me. 3.5 stars. The Correspondent by Virginia Evans. Now, this was the winner of Women's Prize for Fiction. 3.5 stars. Lost Lambs by Madeline Cash. Now, this was really witty and funny story, and I can't believe that it was a debut novel. I actually found myself laughing more than a few times. 3.75 stars. How's 2026 looking for you? What's been your favorite read of the year so far? Do let me know in the comments.